If you want to record sounds on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer, and then in here you should be able to find the recorder app, which in my case is over here. If we go here for the first time, we need to press agree and continue. You might also need to grant some settings for the app, so we can do that, and then use this red button in order to start recording. So grant all necessary permissions, and there we go. Now we can say and save whatever we want to save as a voice recording. You can see that we also have transcription that is working pretty much in real time. You can also switch the language in case it is detected incorrectly. We also have the separation to different speakers. So for example, if in your voice recording you have multiple different speakers, they should be separated over here. And also we have some additional tools like this bookmark option, for example. And once you are done with the recording, we can tap on this button in the middle of the screen, at the bottom actually, and then we have our recording. We even have AI generated title, we have the transcription, we have separation to different speakers. Sometimes, of course, our speaker can be separated as well, but we should be able to choose which speakers we want to take a look at. We have the summary as well. We can generate the summary with AI. And also, if we go back to the transcript, at the bottom we should be able to open this audio wave, the timeline essentially. And of course we can play, we can move around, and so on and so forth. We can manage marks over here if you want to. And in the upper right side we have some additional tools as well, like the AI clear voice. We have these three dots where we can find some other stuff as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.